Elbows, as key components in piping systems, are typically made of metal and possess excellent corrosion resistance and high-pressure resistance. They play a vital role in industries such as chemical, petroleum, and power. Carbon steel elbows are renowned for their superior seismic performance, maintaining the integrity of piping systems during natural disasters such as earthquakes, ensuring the stability and safety of fluid transmission. These elbows are not only widely used in industrial fields, but are also ubiquitous in daily life, providing a solid foundation for our lives and industrial production. We are a professional manufacturer of carbon steel elbows, producing elbows of various materials and models year-round. Customization is supported, and our products are of high quality and competitively priced. Carbon steel elbows refer to elbows made from carbon steel. Common angles are 45, 90, and 180, but 60 or other angles can also be customized according to project requirements. Carbon steel elbows offer various connection methods, including welding, flange connections, threaded connections, and socket connections. According to the manufacturing process, carbon steel elbows can be divided into welded elbows, stamped elbows, and cast elbows. The main purpose of carbon steel elbows is to connect to pipes, allowing the pipes to change direction, such as turning at angles of 45, 180, or 90, whether for engineering pipelines or household pipes. Carbon steel elbows are indispensable connectors.